Hello kids, welcome back to our chapter 2. What is the part? How many parts we completed? Part 2 parts we are completed. We are going to do part 3. Now listen students, exercise 2.1, question number K onwards. Have you completed the homework? Yes. Very good. All students are completed now. Now look here, question number K. First question, count in hundreds to write the next 5 numbers. We should add hundreds. In previous class we studied, we added 2, 5, 3 like that numbers. Now we are going to add which number students? 100. 3120. Look here, 3120. Which number you have to add? We have to add here 100. 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, then 3. Which number you got here? 3220. Like that, how many numbers you have to write, students? 5 numbers. One we are written. 3220. Plus again we have to add which number? 100. 3220. Plus again you should add here 100. 0, 2, 3, 3. 3320. 3320. Now without adding, can you say? Calculate in your mind. Here is 1 is written, here 2 is written, here 3. What is the next number? What is the next number? Yes, very good. 3420. Now 1, 2, 3. Now again 2 more you have to write. Look here, 3120, 3220, 3320, 3420. Can you say next one? 3520. Then what is the next number? 3620. Very good. You should add here which number, students? You should add here 100 for each numbers. Easy, no? Now see, one more question is given. That also given as same like which number you have to add, students? You should add here 100. What is the first number is written here? 7098. We should add here 100. 0, 0, 1. We should add 0. 8, 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 0, 1, 7. What is answer? 7198. Understood how you got? Again you should add here which number? 100. 7198 plus 100. Look here. Here is 8. Here is 9, 2, 7. 7298. 7298. Now you got the idea now? Then without adding, say, calculate in your mind. Here is 0, here is 1, here is 2. What is the next number? 7398. Next one, 7498. Very good. What is the next number, students? 7598. It is easy now by adding 100. Then there is given one more question, students. You should do as homework. Now see question number 8. Count in thousands next to 5 numbers. Here we added the 100. Here we are going to add how many number? Thousands. 1490 plus ones, tens, 100, 1000. Thousands, how many zeros are there? 3 0. Hundreds, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Now look here, 0, 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the answer we got? 2490. Which is very easy, no? Again add 1000. Which number can you get? Here is 1, here is 2, then same 3490. Understood how you got? Can you say next one? Easy, no? Yes, 4000 490. How many numbers like that you have to write? 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3. What is the next number? 4 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next number? 5. 5490. One more is left. Can you say 6490? Understood? No? But adding 1000 is 100. It is very easy. One more question. 3911. What is the first number is written? 3911. We have to add which number, students? Thousands. Ones, tens, 100,000 plus, look here, 1 plus 0, 1, here is also 1, 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 1, 4, 4911, 4911. Can you say next number? 3, 4, next number is 5, 5911. What is the next one? 6911. Then 7911. Can you say next one? See the pattern? 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. Yes, what is the next one? Very good. 8911. It is easy, no? Now here also one more question is written. That also you have to do as homework. You are doing the homework now? Yes. Question number 3 is the homework. Now this exercise 2.1 is over. So let's do the next exercise. All the students see the next question. Can you say what is the question exercise given? Exercise 2.2. What is the heading is written? Can you say what is the heading is written? Yes. Place value. What is the heading is written? Place value and face value. What is the heading? Place value and face value. In second class you are studied the place value. Now look here. Now we are studying how many digit numbers? 4 digit numbers. 6752. Ones, tens, 100,000. How many digits are there, students? 4 digits. So teacher is going to explain the place value. Can you say what is the place value of 2 here? 2 is in which place? Ones place. 2 is in which place? Ones place. And 5 is in tens place. This T means tens. And 7 is in H. What do you mean by H? Hundreds place. Then 6 is in TH. TH is the short form of thousands. Ones, tens, 100,000. Once more, O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means thousands. So what is the place value of 2? 2 is in ones place. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 only. Next number is here. What is number is written below T? 5 is written. 5 multiplied. 5 is in which place? Tens place. So 5 tens are 50. What is the place value of 5? 50. Then now look here. 7 is written. Can you say what is the place value of 7? 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So very good. 7 into 100, 700. What is the place value of 700? Then now look here, which is the last number is written 6. 6 is in which place? Which place? What is the mean by TH? TH means thousands. 6 into 1000. 6,000 is equal to 6,000. Once more, this is called place value. In second class, you studied up to 3 digits number. Ones, 2's place value is 2, 5's place value is 50, 7's place value is 700, 6's place value is 6,000. Now understood, my dear students, what is the place value? Yes, I will show you one more question. Look here. 5027. What is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 7? 7 ones are 7. What is the place value of 2? 2 tens are 20. Now we are having the doubts. What is the place value of 0? Wherever or whenever you are getting 0, the place value is student 0 only. What is the place value of here student 0? 0 only. What is the place value of 5? 5 above what is the number is written? TH. 5 TH means what? 1000. 5000. Once more 7, 20, 0 and 5000. This is called place value. Now I will ask you one question. Say, can you say 7 is in which place? Place value and place both are different. 7 is in which place? 7 is in ones place. Can you say 2 is in which place? 2 is in tens place. What is the 0 is in which place? 0 is in hundreds place. 5 is in thousands place. While you are getting the questions, you should read what it is written. Place value or which place. If the question is, what is the place value of 2? 2 tens are 20. If the question is 2 is in which place, you should write 2 is in tens place. Now all understood now what is place value. Now teacher will explain about face value. What is it students? Face value. You are hearing this word first time now. New words for you know. Face value means entirely different from the place value. Place value and face value both are different. Face value of any number is that number itself. Understood or not? Yes, the face value of any number. If 7's face value of 7. Face value of 7 is 7 only. Face value of 2 is 2 only. Face value of 0 is 0 only. Face value of 5 is 5 only. Now understood now these students, the face value of any number is not changing, same number only. Understood now what is the meaning of face value? Face value is not changing but place value is changing. Can we start the exercise? Understood now? You should practice more questions of face value and place values. Now look your book, page number. What is the page number is written? 91. Page number 91. What is the question number? Exercise 2.2. Question number A. Write the places. Look here. Write the places of the colored digit. Write the places of the colored digits. Question number 1. Teacher is not writing all the questions. I am writing only the numbers. 1869. Here 6 is underlined. Then second one 1893. 8 is underlined. Third one is 1915. 1 is underlined. Now look here, they are not asking place values. The question is write the places of. That means which place. Can you say 6 is in which place? Ones, tens. Very good. 6 is in tens place. Now here which number is underlined here students? 8 is underlined. Can you say 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds place. 8 is in hundreds place. What is the spelling of hundreds? HUNDREDS. Then now look here. Here which number is underlined? 1 is underlined. Can you say 1 is in which place? Ones, tens. 1 is in tens place. Here places are, they are not asking place values, they are in which places. Once more, 6 is in which place? Ones, tens. Ones, tens. We are written here tens. So now here also 2 more questions you should write as homeworks. Now understood now places. Now look question number B. Now A is over. Now look here question number B. All the students read the question, B question. Now B question. write the place values. Very good. They are asking write the place values. Now teacher is explained about places and place values. Write the place values. Place values. Now look here, first one. 1309. Which number is written there? 9. And second one is written 8615. For there also 5 is underlined. Then third one is 2618. Here is underlined, here 6. I will show you one more question. 2711. We are going to write the place values. Here also underline the 7. Here we have to write what, students? Place values. Can you say what's the place value of 9? So you should write the place value is equal to 9 ones are 9. What's the place value of 9? 9 ones are 9. Now next also given 5. What's the place value of 5? 5 ones are 5. So place value is equal to, what's the place value? Place value is equal to 5. Now here 6 is underlined. Ones, tens, hundreds. Can you say what's the place value of 6? 600. Very good. Place value is equal to, what's the place value? Say 600. How you got 600? Ones, tens, 100. 600s are 600. Now same like, can you say what's the place value of 7? Place value of 7 is equal to, say, 700. The place value of 7 is equal to 700. Can you say what's the place value of 2? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 2000. Here also students, some more questions are given. That is place value. You should do as homework. So my dear students, you have to complete the homework. See you in next class. Okay, bye.